Today we discuss solution of a system of linear equations by Cramer's rule. How to solve a three equations in three unknowns. An easy method is Cramer's rule. If we have a system of equations like a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. In this system, x, y, z are unknowns. We want to find these unknowns x, y, z. Here a1, b1, c1 are the coefficients of the variables. Also a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3 are the coefficients. And d1, d2, d3 are the constants. Okay. By Cramer's rule, the solution is x is equal to d1 by d and y is equal to d2 by d and z is equal to d3 by d. Here d is determinant of the coefficient matrix. Here the coefficient is a1, b1, c1. So the coefficient matrix is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 and a3, b3, c3. So d is the determinant of the coefficient matrix. And d1 is obtained by removing the first column from d and substitute as d1, d2, d3. In the determinant d1, the first column is d1, d2, d3 and the remaining columns are same as in the determinant d. The next d2. d2 we replace the second column by d1, d2, d3. And in d3 we replace the third column by d1, d2, d3 provided the determinant d not equal to 0. That means if determinant d not equal to 0, then the solution exists and is unique. Okay, a system may have a solution exist or may not exist. If the system has a solution, if the system has at least one solution, then that system is called a consistent system. That is, a system is consistent, then it has at least one solution. Otherwise, it is inconsistent. If the determinant d not equal to 0, then definitely the system has a unique solution. We can check the consistency, that is the existence of solution, by these three methods. If the determinant, the first determinant d, the determinant of the coefficient matrix d not equal to 0, then definitely the system has a unique solution. Second condition, if d is equal to 0, that is the first determinant equal to 0 and at least one of d1, d2, d3 is non-zero, then the system has no solution, that is inconsistent. That is, the system is inconsistent when d equal to 0 and at least one of the determinants d1, d2, d3 are non-zero, then the system has no solution, that is inconsistent. Next case, the system is consistent or inconsistent. D is equal to 0 and d1, d2, d3 equal to 0. The system may be consistent or inconsistent. We couldn't say anything about the consistency in this type. Okay. Now discuss a problem. Solve x minus y is equal to 1, x plus z is equal to minus 6, x plus y minus 2z is equal to 3. Write this system as x minus 0z equal to 1, x plus Here y is variable y has a coefficient 0. So x plus 0 y plus z is equal to minus 6 and x plus y minus 2 z is equal to 3. So the coefficient determinant of the coefficient matrix D is equal to first column 1 1 1 minus second column minus 1 0 1, third column 0 1 minus 2. Okay, then calculate this determinant, we get minus 4. Then find the determinant D1. D1 is obtained by replacing the first column as 1 minus 6 3. Here 1 minus 6 3 and the remaining columns are same as D. Calculate D1, we get the determinant as 8. Then D2, obtain D2 by changing the second column as 1 minus 6 3. Calculate D2, we get 12. D3 obtained by replacing the third column by 1 minus 6 3 and calculate, we get the answer 16. By Cramer's rule, the variable x is equal to d1 by d. So d1 is 8 and d is minus 4. 8 by minus 4 is minus 2. And y is equal to d2 by d, that is 12 by 4 minus 4, that is minus 3. Z is equal to d3 by d, that is 16 by minus 4 equal to minus 4. So the solution is x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 3 and z is equal to minus 4. Next problem. Using determinants, show that the following equations are inconsistent. The equations are 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and 4x plus 6y equal to 11. By Cramer's rule, D is equal to determinant 2, 3, 4, 6. Coefficient matrix 2, 3, 4, 6. Its determinant is 0. And D1 obtained by replacing the first column by 5 and 11. And the determinant is minus 3. Here D is equal to 0 but D1 not equal to 0. Therefore, the given system of equation is inconsistent. The given system has a unique solution only when D not equal to 0. The given system is inconsistent when D is equal to 0 and any one of the D1, D2, D3 not equal to 0. And D is equal to 0 and D1, D2, D3 equal to 0, we cannot say it is consistent or inconsistent. In this case, D is equal to 0 and D1 not equal to 0, therefore the system is inconsistent.